Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm so excited. We are doing another review. Today we have Teddy Blake. For those of you who don't know, Teddy Blake New York is a luxury handbag company with all the handbags made exclusively in Italy. And I'm so excited. I've been such a fan of them forever, and now I finally got one. I'm so excited. I ordered the Ava Gold in white. So what I wanted to do with you guys first is show you how the boxing comes. So when I first got it, it got shipped to me. It was just in a plain brown box, and then I opened it up, and then it was inside of this. So as you can see, I have the 11-inch, so the box is pretty big. As you can see here, it has a flip top here where it opens up. And then when you open it, it pops open like really, really big. I'm so excited. So I ordered the Ava Gold in white, and then I also ordered the beige Teddy Blake Croco card holder. So they both should be in here. So when you open it, here at the top, when you first open it, it says Teddy Blake New York, designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. Yes! So excited. When you first open it, it's wrapped up in paper. So it comes with my card holder that's wrapped up in plastic. Now because this got shipped to me, that's why I know that it has like all this extra bubble wrap and stuff around it to protect it, which I'm so excited. So it came with bubble wrap. So the card holder comes with a Teddy Blake duster. So wrapped up inside. Ooh, it's so smooth. As you guys can see here, it has card slots on that side, made in Italy, and on this side it has card slots with Teddy Blake. It can hold 1, 2, 3, 4 on the sides, and then also in the middle. Smell it. You want to smell this? My friend Michelle is here. You want to smell it? Yeah. Girl, it smells good. And then you can smell like that good leather. That good leather smell.
Oh, it does smell so good.
Yeah, that good leather smell. So yeah, so I got this. So I decided to go with the beige because I got a white bag. So I was like, okay, well, what's the best card holder that I feel like will you know, complement my bag? So excited. Boy, so it has a lot of wrapping, which I love, because when stuff is getting shipped to you, you know how that stuff will, like, stuff gets damaged, all kind of stuff. Because unfortunately, I'm not where I have a store that I can go into, so I had to get it shipped. This box, I love the box. I'm all about a good box. Like shoe boxes, all that. Like I keep all my shoe boxes. So it comes in a Teddy Blake duster, Teddy Blake New York, that is white, like a cream color. Let's take this off. This is the bag. Shelly, isn't it so cute? It is so cute. So here it has the tag that's on it. I'm gonna slip this off. flip the tag off, and the tag is just showing the, it's in Italian. I can't read Italian. Pretty sure this is probably the cleaning instructions though, just so you can know how to clean it. So this is the white Ava Gold. This is the 11-inch, and then like I said, I have the beige Teddy Blake card holder. I love it because it has gold accents. Obviously Teddy Blake is its own company, but luxury on a budget. If I had to compare this bag to another bag, if you notice, it almost looks like a Birkin. So instead of going and paying, you know, $10,000, $15,000 for a Birkin, if you want to have even better luxury or even the same level of luxury, but at a more affordable price, because we know we all love affordable luxury, you can get this Teddy Blake bag. I'll have all of the pricing and everything listed in the description box, as well as a link to this bag and to the original website, as well as a link to the card holder. So you can see here, it's really good leather. I'm gonna smell it, Michelle. It smells really good. Like it smells so good. Like you're definitely gonna have to get like some good leather cleaner to clean this.
Oh my gosh, it smells so
good. It smells really good, right?
Yes.
It smells so good. Like I love like good leather because it has that smell.
It feels nice too.
I know, right? And I like that it has a little bit of weight to it. The one thing that I personally hate about bags is that when they get ruffled here at the bottom, and so they're no longer flat, so then when you try to set your bag, it doesn't sit anymore because it kind of just like buckles in. I kind of hate that. This doesn't do that. It completely just sits straight and flat. So let's open it up and see what's on the inside. So the front is going to have 2 slots that slide out like that. Also has a snap. This is the 11-inch. They also have a 9-inch. I love big bags, so that's why I got the 11-inch. It comes with a carrying strap for you to carry it with. Also has gold accents. That way you can wear it over your shoulder or as a crossbody. Has lots of paper in here to keep the frame. I, like most girls, when I'm not using a bag and I have it up in my closet, I keep the paper or some type of cushioning inside my bag to keep the shape. So I do like that it has a lot of cushion in here to keep the shape. So when you open it, this is the inside of the bag. Again, this is the 11-inch, so it's a little bit, as you can see the size, it's a little bit bigger. They do have a 9-inch. It has a gold zip for a side pocket here. It's kind of deep. And it has another section here. So yeah, so I really like this because not only can I, like your wallet and your cards always get slid down in the bottom. This card holder can fit into this little slot. So now I don't have to be searching down in my bag trying to find my card holder. It's gonna be right here. So I do like that. It's very spacious. I can put a whole lot in here. Like, oh man, my other purse. I was gonna see how much I can fit in here. I'm gonna have to insert a clip of seeing just how much and all of what I can fit in here, like a what's in my purse video. I do like this a lot. So some of the things about the Teddy Blake bag is that their designs, they have with a team of designers pitched from well-known luxury brands, Teddy Blake creates handbag designs for every style choice. If you don't see your Teddy Blake yet, subscribe, and they release new collections every month. So that I know for a fact that's completely true, because when I first started looking, I was like, there was like 6 that I was going back and forth with, and I was like, I don't know which one I want. Like, they have a large collection, and again, they make their own bags in their own way, but they had so many that were comparable to other luxury brands. Like, they had another bag that looked just like a Chloe bag. Like, I swear to God, as soon as I got to the website, it looked just like a Chloe bag. They had this one that looked, I was like, oh my God, it kind of looks just like a Birkin. started doing more research, started looking more on the site, tons and tons of stuff. So they do have a wide variety of designs, and like they said, they come out with a new collection every month. Premium Italian leather. Enjoy the luxury feel and smell of real leather. Well, we already established that because this thing smells real nice. This thing smells so nice. As well as Teddy Blake bags are made with luxurious leather from Italy's finest pelletries. If you don't know what that is, that means first hand. Dyed and treated to withstand the test of time and maintain a luxurious look. So as we all know with luxury handbags, number one things all women know, you have to take care of your bags. So there's a certain way that you have to clean them. There's a certain way that you have to make sure that there's, especially if it's a leather bag, making sure that it's staying moisturized to be able to keep the detail and to make sure that nothing, that it doesn't start to wear and tear. So what they're saying with that is saying that they have premium Italian leather, is that this is gonna last like a long time. Like as long as you take care of the bag, it's gonna look the way that it needs to look. Me, I'm a firm believer in that, because these bags be too expensive to let them look any kind of way. And again, all the information to this bag as well as their website will be in the description box. It is truly made in Italy. Respecting the label's history, we make sure that each Teddy Blake bag is characterized by high quality construction, attention to detail, imaginative design, shape, and durability, using the same exquisite materials as all luxury brands, as we never compromise on quality. As I was telling you guys, you can definitely tell that by the gold accents. Every gold accent has the Teddy Blake bag on there. You can see that it's really durable. Like I said, it has the clamps on the bottom, which allows it to sit up straight, as well as the frame. As long as you keep your stuffing in this bag, it is gonna hold its same frame for a while. Luxury for you. Impossible to democratize, my bad y'all, luxury. No, Teddy Blake made it possible by offering designer handbags with all the key characteristics of any high-end luxury houses and removing the $1,000 to $2,000 added to the handbag cost just for the label. With Teddy Blake, you can enjoy luxury at a fair price. Like I said, not being a replica, because it's not a replica, but it is a comparable. It looks in the same family as a Birkin. So if you are, you know, the whole Birkin thing going on,
Tony, you cannot afford a $17,000 bag.
This particular bag, the bag that I ordered, if you are in the mood for, oh, you know, like I really want a bag that looks like a Birkin, I like the shape, I like the style, but I can't afford a $15,000 bag. Here you go. The same luxury feel, the same luxury quality, but at an affordable price. We all know, everyone, especially your girl, loves affordable luxury. So, I like it. I'm gonna insert some shots at the end of the video with me, with my new bag, probably some clips. Me and my friend are probably about to go out and hang out. So, I'll show you guys some different ways to style the bag, as well as different outfit looks that it can go with. So, outside of that, Teddy Blake gets 2 thumbs up from me. This bag is amazing. The card holder is amazing. The quality, I'm just, you can't beat it. The style, it came, the shipping time was super quick. I think I ordered it and I think it came within a week. If it wasn't a week, maybe a week and a half, but I want to say it was a week. Shipping time was good. The way that it was packaged is amazing. You know, your girl loves good packaging. Packaging is amazing. The quality is amazing. And for all of those things, the price, you cannot beat the price. All of the information will be in the description box with all the links. Ladies, I highly suggest that you get a Teddy Blake bag. Fellas, Valentine's Day just passed. So we got birthdays coming up. We got Mother's Day coming up. We got all kind of little anniversaries that people are always having. Everybody and mama getting married nowadays. If you are looking for a gift that can be a good quality gift and to show your lady that you know you got a little coin to spend, but not break your pockets, Teddy Blake. That's it for today, guys. See you guys in the next review. Bye.